A good bike lock can stop bike theft. It's the easiest way to deter thieves, and it's the best insurance policy that you can buy for your cycle tour, or if you depend on your bike as your main form of transport. Today, I will show you two different kinds of bike lock, the chain lock and the D-lock and cable. A chain lock is my favorite, and it's my personal go-to when I need to secure my bike. I like it because it is easy to carry, quick to attach and unlock, and I can use it to secure my bike to something solid, like a bike rack, fence, or lamppost. I can carry this lock over my handlebars, in a backpack, or over my shoulder. The one that I use is key operated, but they are also available with a combination lock as well. This lock is the cheapest and easiest deterrent to bike theft. And remember, the thicker the chain, the harder it is to break. The D-lock and cable is another popular lock that will keep your bike secure. You can use the D-lock by itself, or you can add the cable for extra security. The D-lock with the cable is a great option for locking two bikes together, or chaining your bike to a solid object. When locking your bike in a foreign country, always do as the locals do. You can see here this local bike, they have 3 locks. There's one lock here on the wheel to immobilize the bike. There's this lock to lock it to the post, and then they've got the triple protection, the third lock locking the frame to the post. The most common D-lock is the kryptonite. This lock is very tough and hard to break. It's also key operated. I use both of these types of locks on my cycle tours, and in my opinion, they are the best bike locks available on the market. We've got the kryptonite locking the frames together, and then both frames are locked together and locked to the post. Good?
I think it's pretty solid.
Which one would you pick?